what I discover is that I learn how to believe in myself, and I gain more confidence after I joined Interexcel Academy. Somehow, I used to be a very afraid person, like I'm not so that approachable or friendly. And after I joined IE, I found that it's okay and it's fine for me to start a conversation even with strangers. Yes, definitely. I will encourage them to join this academy. I've never met or I never found any academy better than Interexcel that produce so much cabin crew in the airlines. And I mean, this is not just normal airlines. We're talking about the biggest airlines. So like Singapore Airlines, Malaysia Airlines, and even Qatar Airways. Our students, most of it, got into the airlines. So I think it's a good thing to join IE. Each of the trainees have their specials and they have their own specialty in themselves. So like Mr. Roslan, he's very, very friendly, fun person to be and to talk with. So when we were in the class, it feels very comfortable and it's very, very easy to understand whatever he trained us or he teach us about. So like Madam Karen, I would say she's have the aura that brings us the confidence that makes us want to be like her. And she encouraged me to be better in grooming in departments. And she is like one of my role models. And as for Madam Sharon, as we know, she's very polite and she is the one that I take examples every time when I talk to people. And of course, our beloved Mr. Hillary, he teach me about how to present to people. How do you bring yourself? And he have this power personal that makes us not afraid, but respect. And that is one of the biggest things and it's hardly find in anyone else.